video. Video is when people are emotionally attached. That might be the conversion opportunity. What are you doing to take that data and then plug it into the funnel?
That's a great question. Because we're doing it on Salesforce, with all the CRM, the sales data, the marketing data, the Service Cloud data, we can take all that information along with the video consumption data. That's what makes it powerful, because the non-native applications, they have the video insights, but they don't have the actual data that tells what it did for people. How did it impact their life? Did it help you solve that case? Did it help you drive revenue? Did the salesperson make that faster?
Actually, I'm not sure if I understand why this is unique, because video consumption data is very similar to, like, if you were to look at files, whatever other formats that people use. Why can't Salesforce do this, for example, themselves, right? You know.
That's a great question. Look, Salesforce could go build video.
So you can leverage all the APIs that are available out there, unless there's something unique about your AI and your big data algorithms, then it's just another input.
It's not. It's a fully native video solution on Salesforce. It's not about the APIs or the integration. You can do that with a third-party non-native apps or even YouTube, which I know you know very well. But it's actually playing the video natively in Salesforce, as well as the podcast and the MP3, because now all the data is in Salesforce. And if you're using API, you can only push a certain amount of data into Salesforce. And look, 97% of marketers use YouTube today, and 0% really have that data in Salesforce.
What I think our point is, why can't somebody else just do the same integration? What is it that you do?
It's not an integration.
Where you making it native, not integrated, right?
What is unique
why can
about
someone else do a native implementation of video?
Well, it's a great look. At the end of the day, we can't prevent anybody. Salesforce is an open platform.
Right.
We can't prevent them from doing what we have.
So,
that's actually
if we decide to start, because we have a streaming background, so we decide, okay, we'll do a native implementation.
Yeah.
What is about your Appium, whatever it is, what is it about your company that you're going to say, they suck because?
Well, I'm not going to say you suck, but we'll compete.
I would say
also,
that.
But here's the thing. We're native on Salesforce. We've been doing this. We know how to do it. Our competitive advantage is we know Salesforce better than anybody does. We've been doing it for 18 or 14 years. We know how to build on Salesforce, and we have we're first to market. We have clients at American Express. In fact, if you go down to the demo for employee community, you're going to see ViewTrack, which is our product name, in every single employee community.
You see the difficulty there, right? Because anybody can say the same thing. Yeah. No one's going to walk in and say, we just did a native application of video in Salesforce and we suck and they're better.
Yeah.
So your answer to the question is you have a first mover's advantage. Is that how you're unique?
Yeah, I mean, look, Salesforce there's two parts of that question, right? One is we know how to do it. It would take someone to go actually learn and take the years. If you guys have experience, but it's going to take you a long time to learn how to do that in Salesforce. We've been doing this for 14 years. Second is we are the first to market, and because of that, that's why we can go out and actually get these.
So how many installs do you have?
We have 100 customers today, including American Express, Dan, and